Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening settings and confirming your phone supports a rear tap gesture. Many recent Galaxy models do. Once done, go straight to Advanced Features because that's where gesture controls live. Make sure your device is unlocked and has at least 20% battery so it won't interrupt the setup. You're preparing the environment first. This avoids crashes or missing options, and then you'll jump into the specific gesture controls to enable screenshots. Next, navigate Advanced Features into Motions and Gestures. You'll see a list like double tap to capture or back tap depending on firmware. Tap that entry and toggle it on, then choose Screenshot as the assigned action. Some phones let you assign a custom shortcut instead. Make sure sensitivity is set medium or high if taps don't register, and test with one firm double tap on the rear. If it fails, reduce case thickness or change sensitivity and test again. To finalize, test the new back tap screenshot 3 to 5 times using slightly different strength and phone orientations. That confirms reliable detection. If taps don't trigger, remove thick or metal cases because they can block the accelerometer, then try again. If problems persist, reboot your phone and check for a system update since firmware fixes often restore gesture functions. Finally, if nothing works, reset motion settings in Advanced Features as a last resort to clear conflicting gesture assignments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.